Namaste, I am Shiva Swati and I am making this video to explain the twin flame journey. The twin flame journey can make you take on different lovers, because initially when you are young it is more of a physical union. You are largely negative, conditioned by society. As you evolve you become more positive, and your mind evolves to positivity, and if the other partner remains negative, in that case your spirit leaves that body and you meet someone else who is also you in a parallel body, and it is a mind body union. And as you evolve further towards spirituality, then it becomes a mind body soul union. And the twin flame can travel from one body to another, to a third body, to a fourth body, to a fifth body, like Draupadi had 5 husbands, till the union is satisfying for ascension, for soul ascension, and you work for earth together as one being. For example, Thomas Edison, the person who invented electricity, was married to his twin flame Mary Alva Edison, and they both contributed to the development of electricity in the world. Though she was a housewife, but she contributed through giving him support and confidence to fight the world, and to help in changing the structures. There was a huge battle against electricity at that time, because the factories had to be closed down, old ways of studying and working had to be closed down. There was an increase in unemployment. In fact, when electricity came up, because it changed everything, even the schooling system changed. So we are experiencing the same situation now, that the schooling system is changing because computers have developed so much, and the earlier methods of memorizing and calculations on paper and learning tables are no longer needed, because computers do all the work. So human minds can go into analysis and understanding and creating things which they could never even think of before. So the schooling system is being pushed to change. Plus the computer systems work as well at night as in the daytime, so children like to work at night and they cannot perform well in early morning school anymore. So there is a demand to start late schools, and to start make schooling hours flexible, to start education at home in a way that children can be flexible about the subject they choose, what they want to excel in, what they want to perform in. And the tests have to be such which test analysis and understanding and application of the concept, and not just memory, so that the computers can be actually worked at. No, you can't simply memorize a program and apply it on a computer or in life. No, like psychology, you cannot simply test definitions and expect to become a good therapist. A good therapist may not know all the definitions, may not know all the dictionary meanings, but she or he will be able to apply the concepts in a way that helps the other person. So it is the help which reaches the other person which is a test, and not your definition, not the words used in your definition. So similarly, the invention of electricity, when it happened, it was questioning all the concepts, and a twin flame union was necessary for the invention of electricity. Whenever there is a twin flame union, there is some invention, some change in the universe which cannot happen without a twin flame union. You both together, due to your friction and your understanding, produce something which has not been done before. In every area of life, not something only like electricity, maybe in social work, maybe in interaction with people, maybe an old age home, an orphanage, concepts like this, maybe in forestry, maybe in planting trees, maybe in cleaning societies. So everywhere where you both work together, where you are together and supporting each other, there will be changes in the system which will help humanity become better. That is why twin flame union is usually blocked by dark forces through black magic, etc. So because they do not want humanity to become better, and they want to be worshipped as celebrities or politicians or stars and writers and actors and musicians and dancers, without actually contributing towards increasing happiness in the life of people. So a twin flame union will always increase happiness in your own life and in the life of others. When this happiness stops increasing, the twin flame union will break apart. and the twin flame will either work only through your body. The twin flame will enter your body. If the other person dies, or there's a divorce, or there is separation, the twin flame can enter your body and you both can work together from the same body. And when there is need for a physical body to help increase your contribution on earth, then the twin flame enters another body, a parallel life, and then you may find a husband or a wife who thinks like you, who feels like you, and who enjoys activities like you. Though the twin flames are supposed to be mirrors of each other and very different, opposite each other, because they are two sides of the same coin. However, the core ideology will be the same, and the twin flame will look like you. The physical build will be similar, and the twin flame would make you feel very comfortable being yourself, even though there are fights and disagreements and conflicts, but you will feel comfortable being yourself with your twin flame. You will not constantly feel abused or judged or inferior to the other person, because the energies will match. You will understand why you are the way you are and why he is the way he is, and you will not judge so much. Once that positivity rises to a certain level, soul ascension happens and you both evolve to a higher dimension of happiness, peace, and calmness. And when the evolution does not happen together, and one partner becomes very negative, then the union breaks down, because evolution is more important for the soul than keeping two bodies alive. It can evolve in the same body as well. So that is why twin flames don't often always meet each other in the same life, because one of the twin flames enters the other body and they both work through the same body. So you keep feeling that the other person is around, but he's not actually around, because he is working or she is working through you on the same cause. And that does not mean that marriage is bad or that physical union is bad. Once you agree on mind, body, soul together, the twin flame can enter a physical body and meet you, and then your contribution is much more than with a single body. Like if you have two factories, you can work much more, produce much more than with a single factory. It's like that if you have two bodies, you have two minds, and you have more concepts, more ideas, more energy, and then you can contribute much more. So the twin flame union is largely for soul ascension, for your happiness, and helping you to reach out to the world in a better manner. It is not just plain marriage, my child, my family, my house. It is not that. It is life purpose, your contentment, your happiness together, your feeling of well-being. And even if you are working alone and she is on a different job, it is that you feel more supported in your job and she feels more supported in her job, even if the fields are different. So it is support, and the support makes you contribute, or makes her contribute much more to the world than not being supported. So the twin flame union will remain till you support a social cause. At least one of you has to support a social cause and help the world evolve to a better place, so that the karmic debt is cleared of both of you, and both of you evolve because of the positive energy created by the one person who chooses to work for the world and for charity, along with working for money or returns. And the person who earns more or who is more materialistic has to provide for the spiritual person in a twin flame union, because the karma is being repaid for both of them, and happiness will increase in the lives of both. When this social cause is interrupted and you no longer support charity or you no longer support spirituality, then the twin flame union will break and it cannot be maintained, because then you become very destructive, because the twin flame is there for the world. You start thinking negative. So you have to stop your thinking negative on a continuous basis. The twin flame union breaks down, so that you don't think so much, you become sad, and then your fuel goes less into the world. So that is a twin flame union. It is a soul ascension journey. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe.